Hello everyone, welcome to another crash course video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can optimize a website to benefit us in terms of marketing and branding our website and just getting our image out there. Well, what's the three main steps? Well, our team, Ink and Metal, follows a process that involves three main steps. Number one being categorizing sections. Number two, doing some professional formatting to make sure that everything is in place. Number three, open sourcing resources and mentorship guidelines. So meaning that anything that you have created that you want to give to your audience. And we'll be talking more in detail about each of these in the next few slides. So number one is categorizing sections. So this could mean like having multiple tabs on your website with specific sections for each specific category that you're focusing on. For example, if you have an About Us page, this is retrieving contact information. Sponsors page is acknowledging your sponsors and what they have provided you with as a resource for your team. An outreach page, so events that educate your community. You want to maybe keep that separate from your robot page just in case, because it makes it clear when people look at your website that whatever you're doing is community related and you're helping it out of no cost versus like robot, which is more of like involving your mechanical and code knowledge to develop a robot. Another thing is having important events. So these important events can include like external information, like having a forum where you answer questions and concerns. And overall, you would also divide the events into probably sections, which is like pre-season and current season within that tab. So that when you refer back to it, you need to do any documentation, you're able to clearly just go on your website and see what you have done in the past, how you can reflect on it, and what new things you have done. Now, a second thing is professional formatting. So centralizing text in the middle is usually a good idea to keep the focus in the center. Placing pictures underneath each of the text, meaning like using similar colors for uniformity, is really useful. Using images with transparent backgrounds really helps in increasing the viewability of the project, and keeping your socials in a small font size within the bottom of your section will really help for easy contacting. Like if you need to call someone, people will be able to contact you if they can just do a quick click, better than just listing it out. Making it like icons is really useful. And you want to use a uniform font size, font type, and a style of text integration throughout, so that when anyone opens your website, it doesn't look all over the place. It's in one style in one place, and it's easy to follow through it. And the third thing is open sourcing resources for mentorship or any resources you have. Keeping your resources compact and possibly a resources tab or something similar is really useful because they can easily identify where they can find those resources. You can compile it into a single format, so it's easy to download, like either a PNG file or PDF. All of them, keeping them the same format will help the public when they open your website to just easily download into one certain file type, and they can categorize it in like a certain file. Or you can place it all together in a Drive link. So all they have to do is simply click the link, make sure it's viewable by all, and they'll easily be able to save just the Drive folder within their personal. They make a copy of it or anything similar. Another thing is keeping a question box or forum on the bottom of your About Us page or a separate forum page is useful. Instead of just putting a section of contact info where you're listing your email, LinkedIn link, Facebook link, any social links you have, because it makes it easier for people who don't have any direct access to Gmail, for example, at the moment. And you'll make sure that you won't lose any potential customers, potential people who are interested in getting involved in your mentorship. So that's something important to keep in mind. Creating a gallery, so including pictures detailing resources that have been given in the past and their specific uses. So what each of these things in the pictures mean and their specific uses as well. Thank you so much for listening to this video for optimizing a website. We hope you enjoyed looking over these 3 steps. If we go here, we can see that um, essentially these are 3 main steps that you would use for optimizing a website to improve your branding and marketing for your company. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you watch our next Crash Course video. Thank you.